Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, thank you so much for joining me. This is a haul from a Crafty sale that I went to, and I just wanted to give you this angle so you could see. This video is going to take a while. Put your feet up and relax, and I'll tell you all about it. I went to a sale that is somehow connected to a creative reuse type store. I think it's for kids. I haven't been there yet. I talk a lot about creative reuse stores as like thrift stores for craft supplies. But then there are also places like maker spaces where they encourage you to bring kids and teach them about the environment and waste and crafting and all sorts of things. This sale was a garage sale associated with a fundraiser for one of those places. So I think many donors had contributed and it was crafty supplies they didn't necessarily need for the facility. I saw this sale advertised and I thought, well, I'll check it out and have breakfast with my friend because she lives near there. If you know me, you know that I love patterned paper and I don't need any, but I could not help it. I will put in a couple photos just to give you an idea of what I was dealing with. This was a double car driveway set up with U-shaped tables all the way around it and tubs of paper on them or under them. Some clear stamps, some tool type things like misties and die cutters. The pricing was erratic because the people who priced it aren't crafters, so they don't know. Some was really low, some was really high, some was bundled in a way that none of us would want to buy it. I thought there would be tons of older stuff. I did find some basic gray. I did not see a single wood block stamp there. Nothing that Crafty Bean would have been excited and brought home, like nothing like primitive, cutesy coloring all day long. I don't know if certain people beat me there because I had the address wrong and went to the wrong place, or maybe they actually used the woodblock stamps at the facility because those are easier for kids. I have no idea. But it was a very interesting sale because there were so much of some things and none of other. The patterned paper selection was amazing. It was my kind of sale for sure, but there wouldn't have been as much for Noni. There weren't a lot of really detailed artsy type supplies there. And some things were a little high. We'll go through this in a little bit of detail because I haven't seen some of it either. Then I need to put all this stuff away. I said I wasn't going to buy any more fall, but these were in a bin. I might give you some hints about pricing, but at the end, no, I'm not going to give you any hints. How about that? At the end, you tell me how much you think I paid, and I will tell you in an upcoming video, probably in an updates video or something. But you guess what you think I paid, and I'll tell you. This is an older pad. I think it's Cartabella. I think I might have had this before, or Noni did and gave it to me. Yeah, 2017 Hello Fall. It's a cute one with leaves and acorns and more leaves, and I just thought, sure, I like fall. I can't help it. Then there was so much good Christmas. Oh my gosh. I held myself back and didn't pick up stuff that I already had. I mean, the selection was amazing, and there were things that went with collections. Like, I know I have Cozy Christmas. The only thing that I bought that went with it was numbers for December dailies because I've assured myself I'm going to make a whole bunch of those this year. So I thought, okay, one set of numbers, it can't hurt, right? So I picked that up. But this is a Simple Stories collection called Sub-Zero. And at first I saw the ephemera and thought, oh, I did buy two, and thought, oh, that's really cute. Maybe I don't need it. Oh, well. And then I saw the paper and thought, oh, yeah. And I guess I got confused. There's probably one in here too. Yeah, so now I have three. It's wintry. I could use it for work cards. You could use it for anybody. It would make super fun December dailies. This has the washi and the ephemera in it, and the sticker sheet. And how many pieces of paper? It says it has chipboard, but it doesn't. So let's take a look just because maybe there's not a bunch of the paper either. When you shop at the chipboard is in there. When you shop at a sale like this, you don't necessarily know what you're getting, but it looks like this is completely untouched. So I'm going to tuck it back in. And then the way I store mine is I try and keep the ephemera packs with the collection because that's probably how I would use it. The washi gets a little messy to stack. I'm going to take it out because what I'm going to try and do is lay this in an iris case with my winter stuff. There is no room, by the way, but I'm gonna try it. And then I'll just put the washi wherever it fits. Then look at this one. Oh my gosh. So Stamperia, it was just sitting there. It has light blue in it. I don't think I have any of their paper in my stash. Not that I don't love it, just that it's really, really detailed, and they lean more towards the light blue than the dark. So many times I look at it and think, yeah, I might not use it. But there was stuff in here. It's a more medium gray blue that I like. Oh, it's a pad. Are they always like that? And look at these. Very versatile. Oh, it's like sewing stuff. Oh my gosh. It is wonderful. And look at this blue and this tealy blue. I love this. Love it. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Lots of times when you're at a sale like this, you know, it's in a driveway. I had a bag over my shoulder and I was putting stuff into it. Like in Oregon, we bring our own bags. So I had a shopping bag with me, which was pretty good. But, you know, you don't take the time to see if every piece is in there or what they look like. Oh my gosh. So this one is a wonderful surprise. Oh my gosh. This is kind of dark for the back if I was going to use it for a journal page, but oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely love this one. I have, just to give you an idea, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 7 full collections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 full collections here. Okay, look at this one. Oh, did I find some basic gray? I found so much basic gray that I talked to the lady. I asked her if she wanted to list anything online, if she would be interested in doing that, because she was saying, you know, how am I going to get rid of all this stuff? It was so much. It really was. This is the collection that one of you talked to me about recently, Max and Whiskers. I think I might have something that goes with this, but this is the whole kit and caboodle, as they say. Sticker sheet, alphabet, and all the paper. Look! Oh my gosh. I might need to make more pet journals. When Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts, when we started the Basic Gray collaboration, I was worried I was gonna like use up all my Basic Gray. And we talked about how we weren't trying to use it up. We were just trying to enjoy it and bring it back into the mainstream and get it on YouTube a little. And I just keep finding more. It's like it comes to me. This is one piece of paper that I just thought, yep, I like it. I'll take it. Oh my gosh. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. Hadn't seen it, didn't know about it. Noni and I have already peeked at this one. But when you open them up, they're white on one side and they have really nice small scale patterns. They'll be nice for cards. Lot of blue in here. This one, probably not so much me. This might be one of those things where I go through and say, okay, I should take out some of these because they don't speak to me. But this one is staying here. You know, that conversation about, do you have to keep the collection together? No, it's yours. Just keep what you want. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Teresa Collins. And there's that floral and then a blue gray and then a pattern. Bunch of these butterflies, some more. Very cool. 12 sheets of cardstock, 2 each of 6 designs. And there were multiple packs of this. I mean, I didn't think I needed more. Maybe when you hear the price, you're going to think I needed more. Bo Bunny. I'm not familiar with this collection. What year, maybe? It's made in the U.S. Isn't that an indicator it's older? 2012. I can't remember if Bo Bunny is still made in the U.S. because many of our companies have switched. But look at this one. Okay, stickers. Oh my gosh. That may be the most beautiful piece of paper ever. I'm not going to use the cut aparts. I can tell you that right. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. How cute would that be on the front of a book? Oh, like those fancy ones that Project 39 mini albums Debbie makes. But I'm sorry, I have to use that side. Look, this one has a little bunny. And some cut aparts. This won't be great for journals because it has so many cut aparts on the back. This one's more of a fall theme, really. Ooh, but that's the side I'd use right there. Gorgeous. This one doesn't really speak to me. Maybe too geometric, too brown. I don't know. I like these. So I think for me, it'll be more like a single-sided. Ooh, except this page is hard. Look at this one. So you've got the birdhouses on one side, and then this beautiful blue and gray on the other. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like the snowman down there. This is a good one. I do not recall this collection at all. And that's a little bit of the fun of shopping at garage sales and stuff. You see things you missed. You see things you had once and would like to have again. I got a puzzle. It seemed like a good idea. I think I already showed you the Cozy Christmas tags. I also picked up Comfort and Joy tags. These were both at Tuesday morning. Noni was wondering if maybe these were Tuesday morning shut down there. It could also be that they had a really good Tuesday morning in that town, and maybe people just had too much in their stash. These are cute little things, I think. 7 Gypsies. They're little file folders. I thought these would be really cute in December dailies. Santa's Journey, Life and Adventures of Santa Claus. You can turn them into little pockets or tuck spots. Like this one's cute, child, naughty, and nice. But this one, if you don't want to have the inside, you could just glue here and it becomes a pocket. And I think they're both the same, so we don't need to open the other one. Correct. But I just thought they were fun. And I do have big dreams of making a whole bunch of December daily journals. Look at this one. Blue. I had to bring it home. It seems a little bit... There was a Bow Bunny collection like this, wasn't there? It seems like retro fashion is a bit of the emphasis. We don't get a whole lot of Kaiser Craft in my area. It's not a really big brand, and I do like it. So when I run across it, I usually buy it. Very vintage looking. Those would be cute on cards or scrapbook pages. Live a full life. Life is better with friends. It's much more vintage looking than I really thought it was going to be. That's cute. But I like it. Not sorry. Not sorry. Okay, for this, what I was trying to do really, I was just interested in these zipper pouches. I do like these things. These are some die cuts, and I thought they would be good for journals, little tags and quotes. But really what I wanted was these zipper pouches because they're sturdy. They have a place to put them in a notebook. I obviously don't have the notebook. This looks like rub-ons. I feel very strongly about rub-ons, and we're not friends. But I love clear pouches for ephemera, projects, different things. When I'm working on projects, I might label one of these tiny butterflies and put little butterflies in here. And I might have one that's just butterfly stickers and one that's butterfly die cuts. And then I can use them and move things around and mix them up. Also, I got a big ring. Didn't think about that. I can always use that. And then these are different chipboard pieces. 2010, Inspire, Flowers. I don't know. Is that like a fancy light bulb? Not light bulb, but like, I can't think what it's called. The swooshies. Ooh, this is cool. It says Life Story. These are just swooshies. See, remember, these were really, 2013. These were on everything back then. So I got that. Then more paper. I know, it's crazy. Look at this one. This blue page showed, so I brought it home. Absolutely. Had to have it. It was all in here with this stuff. There's some rub-ons. Look at these tags. Those are just, I gotta have them. Cute little mirror things. These might be kind of neat in a journal too. Brad's, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. But all of that, and then this paper was in here. This paper is ridiculously thick. It is wonderful. Made in the U.S. Doesn't have a year on it. But listen, it is awesome. These two pieces of paper right here, magical. Look at that one. It's like a mixed media. Can you see the splashes of other colors in there? Super cool. I do like this paper. Go for Baroque. Okay, then 2 more things of basic gray. I am serious when I tell you I left at least, I don't know, 5 packages of basic gray stuff there. One that was more pink than this, one that was maybe a little holiday-ish. I mean, it was crazy. So I have this one called Perhaps, and it's the whole collection pack. So these tags and then all the paper, and then this one, I've opened it up. The tags are the same shape, and then this is what this one looks like. And there's probably, look at that, there's probably an alphabet in both of these. That's one of my favorite pieces of basic gray paper right there. Yeah, there's alphabets in both. So I end up with a lot of alphabets. Anyway, give me your guess on what you think these 8 collection packs, ephemera, miscellaneous stuff, all of that cost. Leave me a price in your comments and I will tell you who is the closest but not over. Well, in the end, I'll tell you what the price was. I was going to show you this in my updates video. I just thought, oh, well, whatever I pick up there, I'll show them. It was too much, and I really wanted to show you the great stuff from Tina, Crafty Bean. If you missed my updates video, be sure and take a look at that. And Crafty Bean, she sent me a box that was so full of goodness that I missed showing the 12 by 12 in the video. It was just, I was overwhelmed, excited, and I just missed it. So much good stuff. Be sure when you get a haul like this or a lot, you go through it. And if you think there's somebody near you or in your life that would like some of it, share, spread the joy around, because when you find a deal, you kept it out of a landfill and you can make somebody else happy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.